Hello guys, today we want to explain what Trust Wallet is, in 1 minute. Let's start. Trust Wallet is an alternative software cryptocurrency wallet, and is the official self-custodial hot wallet of Binance, after being acquired by them in 2018. Like MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet to transact and store Ethereum-based tokens as well as cryptocurrencies like XRP and Bitcoin. Like MetaMask, you can also interact with dApps directly through an open-source browser, via their mobile wallet app. They also recently released their browser extension, which looks and feels very similar to MetaMask. Trust Wallet is an extremely versatile app. On their mobile app you have got a wide variety cryptocurrency support, from Ethereum to Cardano, to Bitcoin, to Ripple and many more. It also has extensive features, from providing users with access to a dApp browser to the option of earning interest on your crypto, where users can stake coins such as Atom, DOT and Sol, directly from mobile app. That was all for this session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon.